I know you just can't believe I said that, but yes, it happened.
Ano lang lapas basoy lang katawan.
Basto sanity na tayo. Anyway, we come here, fourth quarter action, 39-38 lamang ang Ateneo de Davao University. And coach, ito na yung sinasabi mo sa fourth quarter lineup ng Ateneo de Davao. Formidable.
It looks like a faster lineup in the SBP.
Carino is here for Ateneo de Manila. Also, Nieto is also there. The shot by Carino is not good. Batilo was there for the rebound. Gancho. The press work.
So yun ang kailangan ng Blue Eagles. More presses to negate itong height advantage ng Blue Knights.
Umapaw na height advantage.
Kasi anytime you press a team, kahit malaki sila, at least magmamadali silang tumira, they won't really use the extent of their height advantage on offense.
Carino over to Nieto. Itong team number 4. Back to Carino. Traveling violation. Coach, nahihirapan na maharap ng magandang tira itong Ateneo de Manila.
Oh, the Blue Eagles, medyo, again, because of that imposing height advantage of the Blue Knights, kaya nahihirapan silang maghanap ng magandang tira. They're getting intimidated. But again, if they just focus on pressuring them with their full court defense, I think that mata-challenge mo yung Blue Knights, lalo na yung kanilang ability to handle the ball against pressure.
Africa's shot is not good, but Batilo was there for the rebound. Partner, ito naman natin yung palopong tira, and he'll be fouled by the kid Nelson.
I like how ito si Batilo played that possession. Wala siyang tira. I mean, he went up in the air with no whatever shot possible na may tira. Binato lang niya sa board to get that rebound, to get a better shot. Nakita mo, nagkaroon pa siya ng free throw attempt with that move. So great job by this, Kid Tower.
Kid Towers, Kid Mountain, iba-iba makikita mo mga looks dito.
Hanap from both squad. Manganap lang tayo ng mabilis para may kidlat na.